Who said salads gotta be boring? This salmon avocado salad came to slay. Perfectly seasoned salmon drizzled with chili oil, tossed on a bed of spring mix, sweet peppers, cherry tomatoes, radish, and all that freshness your taste buds been begging for. One bite, and you'll forget it's healthy. Try it, and thank me later. You tapping in or what? Hashtag salmon avocado vibes. Here's what you'll need to make the best salmon avocado salad ever. You'll need spring mix, purple onion, cucumber, sweet peppers, radish, cherry tomatoes, olives, shredded carrots, croutons, avocado, and the star, salmon. Start by slicing the salmon. Drizzle chili oil on top. We're seasoning it with Old Bay, garlic powder, cayenne, and parsley flakes. Fry it up in olive oil till golden and crispy. Salmon's done. Now get ready for the next level salad style. Now look at this beauty and that yummy oil coming from the salmon. Save it, because we're going to use it in part 2 to make the most delicious salmon avocado salad ever. Stay tuned. Part 2. Assemble and finish the salad. Alright, let's make this salad legendary. Start by tossing your spring mix into a big bowl. Now look at this colorful mix. Then beautifully layer the purple onion, cherry tomatoes, shredded carrots, sweet bell peppers, radish, and olives. Don't forget, drizzle a few spoons of that yummy salmon oil we saved from part 1. Now hit it with a generous amount of ranch dressing and give it a good mix. And yes, add some croutons for that crunch. Lay that perfectly cooked salmon on top. Boom. Then add those creamy avocado slices. Salad that's crispy, creamy, spicy, and pure flavor. You making this or just watching? Don't say I didn't put you on. Like, share, save, comment, and follow for more mouth-watering eats. #SalmonAvocadoSalad.